Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover sales goals with Microsoft, full guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook. Rename the first sheet to Sales Data. Input your sales data, including columns for date, salesperson, product, and amount. Make sure your data is organized and free of any errors. Next, create a second sheet and name it Sales Goals. Define your sales goals by month, including columns for month, target, and actual sales. In the sales goals sheet, enter the target sales for each month based on your overall objectives. Now, return to the sales data sheet and use the sum function to calculate total sales for each salesperson or product. In the sales goals sheet, calculate the variance by subtracting actual sales from the target. Visualize your data by selecting both your sales goals and sales data. Insert a chart to represent your goals versus actual sales, making it easy to see where you stand. Utilize conditional formatting to highlight underperforming areas. Identify trends by analyzing month-over-month performance using pivot tables. Collaborate with your sales team by sharing the workbook through OneDrive or SharePoint. Schedule regular reviews to assess progress against sales goals. Adjust your strategies based on the data insights you have gathered. Continuously update your sales goals as necessary based on market conditions and company objectives. Utilize Microsoft Power BI for a more in-depth analysis of your sales data if required. Leverage the insights gained to enhance team motivation and drive performance. Provide feedback and support to your sales team for improvements moving forward. Celebrate milestones reached to encourage further progress in achieving sales goals. Remember to document findings and strategies for future reference. Stay committed to regular evaluations to ensure sustained recovery of sales goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.